Essential grocery items, before they disappear. 12 must-have pantry items before they're gone. Hidden gems, stock up before supply runs out. Grocery staples at risk, prepare today. Secret items disappearing from shelves soon. During a supply disruption, unexpected items often vanish first. These are decisions made by grocery chains long before consumers notice. As of March 2026, certain products are quietly being removed or reduced, including evaporated milk and canned pumpkin. Evaporated milk, which has a long shelf life and can be used as a dairy substitute, is losing space to milk alternatives with better profit margins. Canned pumpkin, though nutritionally rich and versatile, is shifting to seasonal availability due to limited sales outside fall. Chickpeas, rich in resistant starch that regulates blood sugar, are also being cut back in favor of beans with higher turnover. Meanwhile, fat-free refried beans are being replaced by more profitable full-fat options, affecting those with dietary restrictions. Other items losing shelf space include mackerel, a nutritious fish often overshadowed by more popular options like tuna. The decline of these items results from margin and economic choices, not quality or nutritional value. Stocking up on them now, while available, ensures a well-rounded pantry during uncertain times.